What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go over some guard retention details on how to stop somebody when they're doing the knee through pass, okay? This is a very common situation that happens in jiu-jitsu, and a lot of times people start pushing really hard and they get stuck here. So I'm gonna show you guys a nice easy way that I like to escape when the person is doing the knee through pass and recompose my guard. So let's dive right into it and let me show you guys these details. Okay guys, so we'll dive right into this. So basically what happens here is when Cody goes for the knee through pass, I want to put in my De La Riva hook and start controlling sleeve collar and have a nice guard here, okay? But let's say that he already beat me and he's beaten my elbow and knee space, which I never want to let him beat, okay? My knee and elbow now, his knee is on the mat, and at this point it can get extremely hard to recompose the guard, okay? So the thing is here is a lot of times what happens is we start to push him here or we start to push him here, okay? And we try to shrimp out, but it's extremely hard because he's trapping my bottom leg with his hook, okay? The other thing, he's also trying to slide his knee this way. So if I start pushing him while he slides his knee that way, he still gets the pass and I'm stuck here. He's got control of my hips and I'm trying to beat him, all right? So what we're gonna do, he's gonna control my hips here, and I'm gonna frame the shoulder. This shoulder right here is the strong point. This is what I need to pay attention to when he's already beaten my elbow and hip space and his knee is on the mat. So this is where the power is gonna come from. He's gonna try to go chest to chest, he's gonna try to go heavy here, and he's gonna block me. So I'm gonna take my hand, push, and I'm gonna go thumb down with my left hand so I can push Cody's face away here. Okay, this puts his base on his far leg, which makes it easy for me to bring my knee shield in and jam my left knee on the inside of his elbow space and his rib space. Okay, so here now, it's gonna be hard for me to shrimp out and pull my bottom leg out because he's smart, he's gonna be trapping this with his thigh. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring my hand all the way up as I move my head as far away from him as possible. I'm gonna go like this. I bring my head away, nice and far. I come up to my elbow, 4 fingers, just like this, okay? Now, my knuckles are pressing right inside, right on Cody's throat right here, so it's hard for him to push in. Now, what happens, I'm gonna use Cody as a base, and I'm gonna use my left hook right here, so I can elevate my hips, all right? So now that I've got my hips elevated, I'm posted on my hand, my left hook is on his ribs so I can push off, and I'm gonna pull my right leg out. He's gonna stay strong here because most of the time he's gonna be trying to push into me. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'll elevate my right leg just like this. Now I can step on his bicep, pull myself back in, and go right to sleeve collar, okay? So again, we'll go on this side right now. He goes here, he beats me, beats my elbow and knee space. We'll shuffle over just a little bit. I'm gonna take my hand right here and I'm gonna push the throat. As I back my head up, come up to my elbow, and I jam my knee in. Now I have that knee space, I pull out, and as soon as I go right here, I just bring myself back to guard, step on his bicep, and if his arm is still inside, I can start attacking the omoplata or attacking the triangle. Here, I go up, pull, push, goes, I push, head space, knee in the middle, up on my elbow, push, pull, start attacking the omoplata. Another option right here, guys, that I also really like to do is when he goes this far through and he's on this position, I push him, move my head, jam the knee. Okay? Now when I go, I can pull my leg, and I can also do a front roll now. So I'll roll over my right shoulder, spin all the way through, and I'm back to guard, stepping on him right here. Both these options work extremely well. Block, push, head space, knee comes in to buy me some time, and control the distance. I come up, make sure my knuckles are in good position, I pull my leg out, I can go back to guard or front roll. and control the position again. All right guys, so I hope this technique worked. For the next little bit on this channel, we're gonna be going over a lot of guard retention, how to keep your guard and control your guard, okay? But a lot of times you have to understand how to recompose guard so you have a stronger control and you can do more attacks. So if you wanna learn more how to control your guard, subscribe down below and I'll see you guys next time.